Oh. All right. All right. It's hard to let go of some things. It's hard to let go. Oh. Oh. Bang. Boom. Chung. Ching. Good boy. Good boy. Dude, he's really good at this. This is 5 for 5. Go get it, Pouncer. Bring it back, baby. I can feel he's gonna rip. Oh, Pouncer. You're gonna break him. You're gonna break him, bro. His soul's gonna come out here. Oh, you look kind of sleek. There you go, Pouncer. You're a good boy. This is his leash training. Don't. I think he's training me. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, good boy. Backwards walking. Backwards walk. Hey, you want to try swing?